know about you, but when I'm scrolling through TikTok and BuzzFeed and they feature some product, I'm real quick to add to cart. What I want to show you now are 5 products that I actually use every day in my kitchen that help me with efficiency, organization, and keeping clean. Oven liners, I use them in all of my ovens. You can easily cut them down to size just using normal scissors. It's also easy to wash, so I just take Dawn and my little scrubber, scrub off anything that drips on it regularly, and then you just slide it right into your oven like that. This really has made cleanup a lot easier. Things are always spilling on it, and I can just pull this out, wash it off, and then pop it right back in really easily. These are 2 examples of the fruit and vegetable storage containers that I got. They are dishwasher safe, they are reusable, so I use these to store all of my stuff instead of plastic bags or something like that. It also helps to keep everything fresher longer, so just kind of twist it open like that. There you go. It helps with the smell. So as soon as I lift this, I can't even tell you how much it stinks. But if I just put this back in there, give it a twist, throw this in there, I don't smell the onions. As soon as I'm done using them, I just throw them in the dishwasher and use them again next time. I love these utensil organizers. I ended up buying 3 of them. So I kind of started out with something like this, where everything was just kind of a mess. Then once I got these, I was able to store so much more stuff in such a smaller amount of space. I'm gonna pull it out so you can see it like this. But this has just allowed me to hold more stuff and keep it more organized and to be able to reach it very, very easily. I don't have a before and after picture, so you're gonna kind of have to take my word for it. You can kind of see on the side, and all of these things just snap together so you can actually add additional shelves just depending on how tall your cabinets are. But this has been such a game changer for my kids. Like, even when they take things out of the dishwasher and come put stuff up here, they just slide it in really easily, very simple, instead of trying to vertically stack them. And then when I open the cabinet door, everything falls out on top of me. Really like this. I didn't think that it was going to hold as much as it does. I have literally gotten these cord organizers for absolutely every appliance in my kitchen. You can see that they come in different colors. They're a rubbery material, so they bend, they're flexible. And you're trying to put them into a cabinet, you know, you kind of bunch them up like this, stack them in there. Well, the cords constantly fall out. They're constantly hanging outside of your cabinet. This just makes it so easy. It just sticks on the back of all of your appliances. Wrap it around real quick, put it in, and literally that's it. So these are the 5 products that I use in my kitchen every day that have helped me with my kitchen efficiency. Please comment below with your favorite kitchen gadgets or kitchen hacks. You can find links to all of the products featured here down below in my description. I am the Modern Millennial. Please subscribe now for more product recommendations, and stay tuned for more Pearls of Wisdom.